What's the meaning of chief? Chief. Chief.
Chief. Chief. The word chief can have several meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it typically refers to the leader or most important person in an organization or group, such as a CEO or tribal chief. As an adjective, it can describe something as being the most important or prominent, such as a chief concern or chief goal. In some contexts, chief can also be used simply as a respectful form of address, similar to sir or ma'am. Overall, the term chief conveys a sense of authority, importance, and leadership.